we're all aware of how big these two games are, even as early as they are in the group, and we know as a squad what is set ahead of us, and we've got to be up for the challenge. It's nice always to start off a campaign with 3 points on the board. I know we all use that word momentum, but that's what we've got to try and aim for, and to pick up 3 points to start, it does give a bit of a boost, and hopefully we can kick on and pick up a few more points in the next couple of games. We've got to adjust now and do the best we can with the players we've got here, and we're confident as a group that we've got the quality to do that. Obviously our sole focus is on this game. The result on Friday will totally change how we go into the game on Monday, so the main focus is Friday. If we pick up a win, then we're going to be very confident. We've got to all step up to the mark really, and all do our best to win the game. It's good to have that competition in the squad. I think it's a better problem for the manager to have than just to have one player competing for every spot. So every camp we come into, it's competition for places, and that's the main thing. At the end of the day, it's up to the manager. It's not up to me. I've got to come into training this week and work as hard as I can, and it's up to the manager on Friday to decide the team. It's the one thing we've wanted as players, is to draw the crowds back in, and I think we've got a big crowd due at this game, so it will give us a big boost as a squad, and hopefully that we can deliver for all the fans that'll turn out, and it'll keep them coming to the games, because that's what we want.